Have you ever wondered how to check your Linux system's memory usage and speed?
Yes, it can be confusing. But there are some simple commands that can help.
Like what?
The ps command is a handy tool to see what's happening with your running processes. Try this simple command to sort processes by memory usage.
What does it do?
It shows you a list of processes sorted by memory usage, with the memory hogging ones at the top.
That's useful. What else?
The free command is your go-to for understanding how your system uses memory. Just type.
What does it show?
It gives you a snapshot of your total, used, and available memory.
Got it. Any other commands?
You can also check your system's memory configuration using the dmidecode and lshw commands. They show you details like RAM size, type, and speed.
That's a lot of information. Is there a way to get a comprehensive look at my system's memory?
Yes, the Memconf script is like a magnifying glass for your memory, showing maximum capacity and specific RAM details.
Wow, these commands are helpful. I'll definitely use them for troubleshooting and upgrades.
They're great tools to have. Dive into your Linux system's memory, no jargon, just useful insights.